well, the CAD version of the logo that's being produced by tracing over the image file is a valuable piece of work. And as a first step, we should save it in a location where we can look after it and access it from time to time. So I'd be inclined to go File and Save As at this point. And that gives you the opportunity of giving it a new name. It's gone to a folder called Mr. B Landscaping, and I need to go to My Documents. I'm just backing out. You need to find the My Documents folder and then find gCADPlus. And gCADPlus, when you install it, installs a useful group of folders. We like to think that you will organise your work and put work into individual named folders, so any work being done in 2020 could be placed in that folder. These folders are empty, they're just there for your convenience. This logo, of course, is a block, so we could go into the blocks. So here is the various blocks that I've found in gCADPlus, and just for interest, if we go into plants, you can see we've got a folder, compound ones, groups and named ones, and the standard ones as a large set there. You might put that in the My Symbols folder. This is a folder left for you to place new symbols that you make, but I think I'd be inclined to go into details, and what we have there is a folder called Logos, and these can be brought from the library. So these are all logos that we've produced. So this one should be given a meaningful name. So we'll call it JC Logo, and we'll save it. And we're done. So it's now available to us in this copy of gCADPlus. We should be able to find it very easily. So let's close from there and let's start a brand new drawing. We'll just say in the normal environment, and we should be able to go Library, Details, Logos, and JC Logo is here. So we can easily insert it into this drawing and pop it in, then right click and zoom extents. The reason that appeared a little dot is that the default drawing environment in gCADPlus is set up for a site that's about 80 meters wide, and clearly this is very tiny, and you made it 30 millimeters or 30 units by 20. So getting used to filing your work carefully is a really important step.